What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the total sentiment for the crypto market itself and with the news related to Cardano. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts about upcoming price action and my technical analysis on this token. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have 2 points of control. First of all, we have to take a look on this level, this previous top, and on this bottom. Because if we will break this level, it will invalidate this count. Let me show it to you. It will invalidate this count, this retracement of the simple zigzag, and this count will be in play, this ABC correction. But if we will break this level, it will invalidate this count and I don't need it anymore. And let's continue with this one, because for now it is our main count again. And I have to say that right here we had the triangle, descending triangle, and we have this as our support line right here, definitely at this level. And this is our resistance. And as you can see, we have this breakout to the downside, and with the good volume right here, you can see that the volume was quite massive. And from this point, we might have an assumption that we will break this bottom. And basically it happened. We had a rather good reaction at this very point, but still we broke it to the downside, and for now we are hovering at the same exact level of 0.5 at the range of $2.03. So what to expect next I will show you in a minute, but for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. And we are in red, another day when we are losing momentum, and for now the total market cap is $1.85 trillion, and it's more than 2% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, all major cryptocurrencies are in red, and Cardano became the fourth one right after the Tether. And let's continue with its numbers. For now, it has $65.27 billion of total market cap. It's down for 4.42%. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is also down for about 14%. And for now, it is $5.67 billion. So we are not so bullish. Basically, we are moving south. And that's why you have to be cautious with the position of this token. And let's continue with some news. What was the reason of this massive sell-off? So we are on news.com.au. It is an Australian website, and this article was published on September 21st, and it's titled $344 billion crypto price plunge. Why Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana have dropped. And here is what I want to quote you. Cryptocurrency has taken another substantial hit overnight, whipping $344 billion off the market in a single 24 hours after panicked buyers sold off their tokens. And here is the reason. Evergrande, Chinese second largest property developer, is on the brink of collapse and is billions of dollars in debt, with its lenders threatening legal action. And these fears of collapsing real estate market in China definitely affects the entire market of cryptocurrencies, and that's why we have this massive movement to the downside for all major cryptocurrencies and for Bitcoin as well. As you can see, we have strongly movement to the downside, and we broke several support lines, and for now we have some kind of consolidation in the range of around $42,000. So let's continue with the ADA token. And let me show you first of all some price predictions. We are on techtimes.com, and we have several predictions that made by different analysts and companies. First of all, Wallet Investor is reportedly bullish on ADA, thinking that it could even double up with current price through the next 12 months. So its price target is $4.52 in September 2022, and in my opinion it is a very conservative price target for the Cardano. Next one, CoinQuora set the price target of $7. Next one, coin price forecast, has a price target of $2.81. Also not so huge gains for this token. And the next one, GOV Capital currently sees ADA at the $3 mark. And I have to say that we have to break this mark in order to achieve higher price targets. And what might be the catalyst for this movement? Let me show you this. We are on ctaim.com, and this article was published on September the 20th, and it's titled Cardano promises industry-defining announcements as its biggest ever summit. And let me quote you this. The Cardano summit takes place on September 25th and 26th, just days before the Crypto AM summit and awards, and will feature prominent political figures, tech and business leaders with some executive announcements which have been described as groundbreaking. And on top of that, ahead of the summit, Charles Hoskinson, CEO of IOHK, reflected on Cardano's growth over the last 6 years. And he said, Cardano Summit 2021 follows the launch of smart contract capabilities on Cardano and a remarkable 6 years of intensive development and peer-reviewed academic research to create a third-generation blockchain platform which is not only eco-friendly, but probably secure, he said. The latest Cardano upgrade represents a huge leap forward in terms of bringing price stability to the smart contract network, as well as addressing the present energy issues. Having been proven during extensive peer-reviewed research and development, we can now expect hundreds of groundbreaking innovations that will change industries far beyond that of blockchain. And I have to say that September 25th and 26th will be the major key point. Right after that, we might have some new announcement, and we might see new potential movement to the upside for entire crypto industry and for Cardano in particular. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we have this as our primary layout for now. But I still have some doubts about this gap, and I don't think that it might affect somehow the entire price movement. I just have to say that somewhere in the range in between mid-August till the beginning of September, somewhere here I made a mistake. That wasn't so severe because I didn't lose any trades with this price action, but still, it is much better to know everything where we are now than to make some guessings. And for now, with the breakout below this level, below the A wave, I'm completely sure that we have this as our movement to the downside. And in the C wave right here, we have to have 5 waves in order to complete this movement. And this will definitely be the potential pivot point. The bottom of C wave will be potential pivot point for this asset, and right after that we might have a good bounce to the upside. So let me show you how I can project some targets. I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and to the top of the B wave, and as you can see, we have a very good reaction from 0.786 level, and it is a confluence level with basically our support line and previous range of support and resistance. Let me show it to you right here. We have this previous swing high, and we pretty much hit this range and had a bounce to the upside. From this point, we also might have a trend reversal, we also might have some good movement to the upside, but in my opinion, it is a little bit early to make this assumption. So, the most probable level of trend reversal is the 0.618, 0.65 level. It is a Fibonacci retracement from the very bottom to the very top, but also we have a confluence level with 1-to-1 extension in the retracement, and 1-to-1 is the ratio between A wave and C wave. And from this point, from the range in between $1.79 to $1.73, we might have very good attention from retail investors and from whales that want to buy this token. And from this point, we might have a good bounce to the upside. So, what should you do if you want to enter the trade? In my opinion, if you are a long-term investor, just ladder your buys down, and this will drastically improve your average price. But if you are a swing trader, you have to be cautious because you have to have more confirmations in order to enter the position. And confirmation will be the higher highs and higher lows. And on the retracement, when you see the higher highs, when we will exceed the previous swing high, then on the retracement it will be your potential entry point with the potential stop loss order right below previous bottom. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be cautious, and if you want to invest in this token for the long term, just accumulate your position. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!